Naples Pozzuoli shaken. Again, Campi Flegrei triggers a series of worrying earthquakes. The Naples and Pozzuoli regions have been shaken again by a series of sudden, recurring shallow earthquakes, indicating that geological pressure beneath Campi Flegrei is continuing to increase. For scientists, this tremor pattern is no longer just an anomaly. It signals that the massive volcanic system beneath these densely populated cities is entering a more unstable phase. The latest data revealed denser than usual seismic swarms, with longer durations and increased earthquake frequency. This phenomenon indicates that shallow-depth rocks are being forced to fracture by accumulated thermal energy, a process that often precedes major changes in active volcanic systems. The situation becomes even more worrying when geodetic sensors indicate an acceleration in bradycism not seen in recent years. The ground surface in some areas is now rising at a rate suggesting intense pressure from superheated fluids or volcanic gases, which continue to push upward. Geochemical analysis shows a surge in carbon dioxide and water vapor escaping from the fumarole zone. This increase is not just a normal fluctuation. The chemical ratios indicate the hydrothermal system is heating at a rate that could weaken the retaining rock beneath the city of Pozzuoli. If pressure continues to build, new pathways for gas or magma could suddenly open. Researchers emphasize that while there are no immediate indications of an eruption, the dynamics currently detected indicate the Campi Flegrei system is in its most restless state in decades. The complexity of this supervolcano means that every small change must be treated as a potential early warning of a larger scenario. This uncertainty is why local authorities are tightening their preparedness, updating evacuation routes, and increasing monitoring. This region is home to hundreds of thousands of people, and every small tremor now has strategic consequences, as Campi Flegrei's history has witnessed eruptions capable of changing the landscape and global climate. For scientists, this supervolcano is a high-pressure system constantly moving toward its next point of instability. And for the people of Naples and Pozzuoli, these latest tremors are a reminder that just beneath their daily lives, a giant geological machine is churning, and there's no sign that pressure will subside anytime soon.